is why is Mr. Mokgotsi calling himself an entrepreneur? I want to understand that, because it can't just be a concept loosely thrown around. Secondly, what is an informant? Under which department does an informant fall under? And what is the agent? Under which department does it fall under? And between the informant and the agent, which one has got, not PESAL, some false number that were able to account through that number that were paying this particular agent? Because that clarity is not coming out. And I think we need to get that clarity. So we know we're dealing with entrepreneur, for real if he is, informant if he is, agent if he is. Thanks, Jim.
Thank you, Honorable Malema.